Welcome
to our channel.
Morning, guys. I'm gonna drop Denise to school. It looks very cold. Okay, I'm gonna baba you. You baba. Hold. Yeah. Hold properly. Watch my head. Okay. Guys, we're going to school. And Denise is in Baba. Baba riding at my back. That is Baba in Bisaya. So, the school will open at 9. It's just there in the corner. The school will open at 9. But 9 o'clock, that's the time that we left in the house. We are near, but we're always late. I'll baba her because she said that I have a cold feet. Watch left and right. And then morning. They're in na, all of them in. We are late. Okay, walk. Okay, come on. Come, dali. Where are you? Okay. We're the last na to go in. Okay. It's still open. Yeah, it's still open, the school. There's the school there. Quick, mom, or it will get close. Okay. We'll stop first, kay my teacher na. Kisa, mama. Bye-bye. So that's Denise. Drop to school. See, our house is just in there. The school is here. But we're the last we're the last to come in. We're the last. So back to the house and finish my eating. I haven't finished my breakfast. Oh, look at the jet plane, guys. Where is it? Jet plane there. There. So that's Denise in school now. And us back to walking routine. Imagine, kami ang pinaka-last. We are the nearest here, but we are the last. So traffic. It's sunny, but it's still cold. So later on we'll pick her up 3 o'clock, 9 to 3, 9 a.m. to 3. Still legit in there. Bye, guys, thank you for watching. Balik na sa loob si mother. So here we are, guys, in Bernilo. Since David bought 10 kilos of 10 kilo bag of sunflower seed, so he's giving it to the ducks, birdies. The seagulls will eat it, but the ducks won't. So I just give ducks my bread, and then the ducks, the swan, and they eat it, and that's it, finished. And they still want to come to me, and I'm afraid because I have nothing to give them. No, they're eating it?
Yeah.
Oh, they're eating the sunflower seeds. I have nothing. Nothing. They're coming to me and I'm scared. Because they can... I love this place. I always come here for walking. You finished? Because we're going to walk now. I'm afraid. I'm scared. Mag-walk na mi around the around the lake. Okay, let's go. Bye, duckies.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, swans. Not a duck,
Bye.
but a swans. Hi, what?
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys. And here we are once again, going round a small loch in Fife, Scotland, called Bernie Loch. It's lovely here, apart from the cold wind. But it's quite sheltered at this spot, and the sun's shining, and it's good to be alive.
We just had an apple a day. Keep the doctor away.
2 apples a day, they say, keeps the green reaper, the green reaper away. Get it right. Take 2. Come get off them?
No, this is the first time actually.
I can say something. No, I can't, can I?
No, I
Leave
don't.
not, VO.
I don't know.
I don't
Oh yeah, you
know.
can say that.
Yeah, but,
But,
What?
but. Yeah, because we've been here
Yeah,
maybe
few times.
100 times.
Yeah, well, it's good for walking.
And then we're feeding the robins. Actually, there's one feed the robin in my palm. Apple. And then just took it and away. Few seconds, but it's okay. Next time we'll bring what do you call the worm?
Mealworms.
Mealworms for the mealworms
Yeah.
for the robin because they love it. So they'll be here for a while, few minutes maybe. So that's the law. Where we feed the swans also. So, oi, there's plenty birds in here. They're very,
Mealworms.
so just for now, bye.